Welcome to the third and last module of this week, and the name of this module is Twitter Marketing Basics. As the name suggests, in this module we will discuss about the basics of Twitter marketing. Twitter is a social media platform and is being heavily used by the businesses to promote their brands, product and services. Under this module, you will specifically learn what is Twitter, how to set up business profile on Twitter, how to use Twitter platform to market the product and services, what are various types of campaigns that you can run on Twitter. As I said, Twitter is very popular social media platform specifically used for microblogging. Let us know more about the Twitter as a social media platform. I am pretty sure that you must have heard about Twitter. What is Twitter? Twitter is a social networking site started in 2006. Undoubtedly, in today's world, Twitter is one of the popular social media platforms. According to HubSpot, there are 100 million daily active users and 500 million tweets sent daily on this very platform. If you are a user of Twitter, then you must be aware about what sort of information you can have from the Twitter. But if you are going to use the Twitter for the first time, then let me explain what it is all about. As I said, Twitter is a social media networking site. The prime objective of Twitter is to connect the people. If you have something very important and you want to share it immediately with the world, then there cannot be a better option than Twitter. Twitter helps you to broadcast your messages immediately with millions of people who are on Twitter. It also allows the people to share their thoughts with the audience at large. According to HubSpot, Twitter allows the user to discover stories regarding today's biggest news and events, follow people or companies that post content they enjoy consuming, or simply communicate with friends. Twitter is being widely used by marketers to increase the brand awareness and delight their audience. The use of Twitter is free of cost. You have to just create your profile on Twitter that I am going to discuss in the next video. Once you sign up for the Twitter, you are in the world of Twitter. If you like any personality, celebrity, or any famous person and you want every update from their side, you have to just follow that personality. In future, whenever he or she will share anything on Twitter, it will be visible in your timeline. Similarly, many people can follow you or your brand on Twitter. That simply means if you are sharing anything on Twitter, that will be visible in the timeline of your followers. Anything you share on Twitter is called tweet in Twitter language. Now the question is, can we use the Twitter for marketing purpose? Of course, Twitter has become a very popular platform amongst digital marketers to promote the brands, product, services, or to connect with the followers. There are many ways to use Twitter for marketing. Let me discuss few of the ways. Creating the business profile. There is no doubt that many people are using Twitter for their personal use. However, you can create the profile of your business on the Twitter itself. From Twitter point of view, there is no distinction in personal profile and business profile. Just you have to sign up for new Twitter account with the name of your business and your profile for the business will be created. Once your business profile is created, you can use it to engage with your follower and for the marketing purpose. While creating the profile for business, you have to pay special attention to the handle, that is the name of your business, header, background image, profile picture, the bio, brief description of your business, website URL, and birthday, that is the date of incorporation of your business. Make sure all these things properly reflect your business. Next we have building a Twitter follower base. Twitter follower base is the key to the Twitter marketing. By keeping relevant and engaging content on Twitter, you can grow your follower base. Those who follow you on Twitter, definitely they are going to be customer in the long run. So you can target such people with very relevant content related to your brand. Create a Twitter list. Twitter list in advertising is very important place. Anyone on Twitter can create and view the list. It is an organized group of Twitter accounts you have selected and put together in a specific category, say top marketing expert, your competitors, and so on. Whenever you will open a Twitter list, it will only show the tweets from that very group. Twitter lists are great if you want to follow any specific account. Next, we have the hosting a Twitter chat. Hosting a Twitter chat is very useful way to connect with your followers. You can schedule and host a Twitter chat to engage your follower, discuss a topic, create a sense of community, and ask your audience for their opinion or input on something you are working on. Hosting a Twitter chat is very easy process. You have to just announce the topic, date and time for your Twitter chat. Twitter chat promote the interaction and engagement on your profile and get people talk about your brand. It also creates a more personal experience between your audience members and your business. Advertisement on Twitter. Advertisement on Twitter is really a popular way of using the Twitter for marketing purpose. If you are using this method, your tweet can be easily discovered by thousands of people, and it will help you in increasing the influence and followers. Primarily, there are two ways to advertise on Twitter. The first one is promoting the tweet, and the second one is Twitter ads. I will discuss both of the methods in the subsequent modules. Driving the traffic to your website. Twitter is a good platform to drive the traffic to your website. You can give the URL of your website of the pages at various places in Twitter, like in your profile page, in your tweets, in retweets, by embedding the tweets in your website, and so on. Use of Twitter movements. Twitter movements are collection of tweets about a specific topic or event. You can create movement with a collection of tweets regarding your topic of choice and show it in your timeline. So this was the basic information about Twitter, and I hope now you have the idea about that why Twitter is important for social media marketing. In the next video, I will demonstrate you how to set up your Twitter account for the purpose of marketing.